Meet Odie, the ultimate dog utility shower by Laurel Mountain. We all love our furry friends, but muddy paws and muddy dogs can turn any season into a cleaning challenge. As spring showers bring muddy chaos, Odie comes to the rescue. Odie ensures that even the smallest or elderly dogs can step in and out effortlessly. The well-designed interior keeps water and suds confined. Odie is built to last, featuring durable, high-quality materials that can withstand the challenges of regular use. Odie is not just a dog utility shower. In the summer, it transforms into a versatile utility shower that effortlessly handles sandy kids, wet towels, and beach toys. It's a versatile, multi-solution product designed to cater to the evolving needs of homeowners throughout the seasons. Whether it's cleaning dirty gardening tools or washing off pumpkins for carving during the fall season, Odie's true utility function shines. The acrylics material is resistant to cracking, scratching, or chipping. Odie is a solution for all seasons and all reasons. Experience the convenience, durability, and adaptability of Odie by Laurel Mountain. Visit laurelmountainbath.com today.